We have made a counting. We have not next counting. Now we yeah, sure. So like
between two persons, more than 2 meters, or you just think it's too much.
Yes, sir.
On a personal basis.
Yes.
And how many did you actually have to disqualify? So this, if you disqualify anyone for some reason, you write down their number.
Hello everybody, I will not prolong your agony because I am sure everybody wants to know what the outcome is of the count. The record to beat was 250, and what we have achieved here today amidst very strict guidelines is 721. So congratulations, a new record has been made, a new record set for Guinness World Records.
Mr. Rishiji from Guinness World Record Organizations for giving World Record certificate on stick and longest moving line of on stick means Kingdom Dang. This is our traditional sports game, Kingdom Dang. Thank you.
Kingdom Dang to Guinness Book of World Record করিছে ইয়ার কারণে বহুত মন তো একদম খুশ হইছে আৰু আজি পুরা আমার কার্বি আংলঙে পুরা আজি কি দিন আৰু পুরা রেকর্ড হইছে ইয়ার কারণে আমিও বহুত খুশি হইছু
And what we had here was an attempt by Karbi Anglong and Autonomous Council, which was the longest moving line of people walking on stilts. It's the first record of its kind. The benchmark set by Guinness World Records for this was 250. And what was achieved was a fantastic 721. So congratulations Karbi Anglong and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for this wonderful, wonderful achievement. Thank you.